Put the words in order to form past tense questions with the be verb. So number 1. Question word is why. The be verb is was. And we have there a drought. Why was there a drought? Number 2. The answer is how strong the WH words. How strong the be verb is was, and then the subject is the tornado. How strong was the tornado? Number 3, the short one. WH word where, be verb were, and the subject is you. Where were you? Where were you? Number 4. Okay, WH word is what, the be verb is was, and the subject is the temperature. What was the temperature? Number 5. Okay, the WH word is how. Well, actually, how much, and the subject. Actually, how much snow, and was there. How much snow was there? Right? There was a lot of snow. There were 10 inches of snow. Number 6. WH word is where. Be verb was. Subject is the forest fire. Number 7. Okay. The WH word has 2 parts. How long, and the be verb is was. The subject is the heat wave. How long was the heat wave? It was 2 weeks. Okay. How long was the heat wave? It was 4 days. And number 8. Okay. WH word is why was, the subject is there. Why was there no electricity? Why was there no electricity? Okay, that is all for this part. Good job.